pray all is well with you. I would like to come on here and share for inspiration and encouragement my prayer journal set up for 2022, which I'm reusing some, I shouldn't say reusing, but still using some journals that I started in 2021 that it's not completely full. So I'm just, still using them. So I'll show that. This, I'm not going to flip through these because these are personal prayers, of course. But just to show you like a way you can do a lineup. Maybe you want to put everything or you're praying in one journal or different journals. Unlike the planners, um, I'm not doing too many planners, but I do have several journals that I'll be journaling in. This one, I do have this where I write in and I will jot prayers in. But I have this 52-week guided journal, and I only started one day last week. Not last week, last year. Well, this year, right? Because it's still 2021. Oh my God. I would say like in November, just to see how I felt about it. And but this is a guided journal that I'll be writing in for myself. I wouldn't be putting anything else in here for anyone else. And if you want to see like what the pages look like in this, just leave a comment below and then I'll do that. I'll just do a quick video of what it looks like on the inside. This is my hubby's prayer journal, just prayers for him. My daughter, which I call Bambina, this is her prayer journal. I write prayers in here just for her. This is for my niece who I'm raising, and she's my daughter as well. This is her prayer journal, and I even let my husband know he can write in this one. Prayers for her as well. And this is, I had other journals for family, friends, and others, but this is new. I just took an old notebook my husband had to just start fresh and reinforce the cover with this and some lamination. I actually have a video of this and made some tabs, and this is for family, friends, and others, meaning like students, co-workers, acquaintances, people I meet, people that ask me to pray for them, prayers that I see people sometimes they ask on social media, different people asking me to pray for them in passing and stuff like that. So this includes everyone else besides family and friends. This was 5 subjects. I made it 3 subjects so I can have more paper for family members and friends and others. So that is a very quick video. I pray that you get some inspiration and motivation to the glory of God, however he leads you. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.